Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I wanted to bake something again today. So today I'm going to make double chocolate chip muffins with a cheesecake filling. I've never tried to make something with a filling before, so let's see how it turns out. Okay, so I've already got my oven preheated to 375. So let's get everything mixed together. I've got my flour and baking soda and baking powder in here. I'm going to put it in first. Okay, and I've got 2 eggs. Vegetable. Cup of milk. Vanilla extract. Okay, now I'm going to do my dry ingredients. First, I'm going to do my cocoa powder, and it also calls for a tablespoon of coffee. So I put that in together. Okay, and my sugar. All right, and my chocolate chips. Okay, I went ahead and got my muffins mixed up, so I'm going to put those in the pan. And for the filling, I just used a box of the instant pudding Jello brand cheesecake flavor, and just mix that with 2 cups of milk. Okay, so I filled them up just part of the way like that, and then I'm going to add my filling, and this is what the filling looks like. Okay, so I've got my cheesecake filling in there, and I'm going to top it off with more of the muffin batter. Okay, and then they bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, they're done, and they actually only took about a little over 15 minutes instead of 18 to 20 in my oven. So according to the heat of your oven, you probably need to watch the time, but I'm going to cut one open and see what it looks like. I think it turned out pretty good. It looks good. Have a great night. Hey y'all, hope everyone's having a good evening. I wanted to bake something, so I'm going to make some banana bread cookies with chocolate chips. I've kind of put together a couple different recipes that I found, so hopefully it'll turn out okay. So I'm going to start with, I didn't have a banana, so I'm using banana extract. So I got a 1/4 cup of that. I got 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of melted butter. And I'm adding an egg yolk. Okay. You mix that together. Now I've got 1/2 cup flour. I think. Forgot how much. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda instead. So. Okay, and then add my chocolate chips. Okay, so correction, it was a whole cup of flour that I put in there, and the consistency wasn't right, so I added another 1/4 cup of melted butter. So I'm going to get these mixed up, and we'll get them in the oven and see how they turn out. I went ahead and got them out, and they look pretty good. Hope y'all have a great evening.